Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So last class we learned string indexing, string slicing and some functions in string. So today we can start with center of function. Okay, so center of function in string, what it will do means it will make the string in the center position. Okay, so we can start with the syntax so you guys can understand easily. String dot center, inside that it is giving width and fill char. Fill char is an optional one. Okay, so string dot center width. For example, if a string has a length of 5 or 10, okay, consider 10. So I am giving here as 50 width. What does it means? The total length of the string we are giving as width. Okay, so for example, I am giving 50 as a width, but my actual string length is 10. So we are asking to place the string in the center position. So 10 length, the actual string has the length of 10 will be at the center. So total length, how much we have given? 50, right? So the remaining 40 will be filled with space or whatever we are giving in the fill char. Okay, if you are not giving anything, by optional it will fill with space. Okay, I hope you guys understood till now. So consider this example. Center equal to, this is the actual string. So here I am giving this sentence, this is the actual string. I am giving dot center of the width 50. So the actual string will be at the center and the remaining will be filled with space. Why given space? It's because we didn't specify anything. So here I am specifying star, that is a fill char. It is optional one, right? You can see in the syntax it's optional one. So I have specified star. That's why the remaining space it is filled with star. Okay, I hope you guys understood till now. For example, if the string length is 10 and I'm giving the width as 10 or less than 10, then what will happen? It will return the actual string. Okay, then we can move on to rjust. So what rjust will do? Here in the above example, in the center of what it is doing, it will making the actual string at the center, right? So in the rjust, it will align the string to the right. For example, here. Okay, so remaining space will be filled with either space or anything like whatever we are giving in the fill char. Okay, so I will just read for you. Rjust of method in Python is used to align a string, padding it with space or specified character on the left to make the string a specified width. Okay, so it is the same syntax as center, but instead of center we have given rjust. Okay, this fill char, this is an optional one. Okay, by default it is space. Same thing for the ljust. What is ljust doing? It will align the string to the left. So the remaining space in the right will be filled with either space if we didn't give anything in the fill char, or whatever we are giving in the fill char, it will present at the right. Okay. So we can move on to find and index function in string. I hope you guys understood till now. Okay, so what is find and index function will do? It will find the position of the substring. The find and index both are used to find the position of the substring. But only difference is that if the specified substring is not found, the find of will give -1, but index of will give value error. Okay, so Say both find of and index of are string methods in Python used to locate the position of a substring within a string. However, they have key differences in behavior when the substring is not found. Okay, so if you see here, this find of, it returns the index of the first occurrence of the specified substring. If the substring is not found, it will give -1. Okay, but what will the index will do? Index will do value error. Okay, if the substring is not found. You can see the syntax. String dot find of, inside that I am giving the substring. Start and end. What is start and end? Start and end both is optional one. We are specifying the starting position for the search and ending position for the search. That is optional one. Okay. So when we string dot find of substring, it will search the substring from the first occurrence, from the left. Okay. Index also will do the same thing. Only difference is that instead of find, we are given index of here in the syntax. Okay. So only difference is that index will give value error if the substring is not found. So if you see here in this example, sentence 1 equal to Jincy mol George, right? I'm finding sentence 1 dot find of mol, but here I am just give lowercase of m. So that's why it couldn't able to find the actual substring. That's why given -1. But what index will do? Index will give value error because substring it can't able to find the substring. So another thing, rfind rindex. What is rfind rindex? It will start searching for the substring from the right. Okay, so if you see here in this example, sentence 2 equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm asking to find the 1. So if you see it, what if find will do? It starts searching from the left. So the 0th position. That's why it return 0. What rfind will do? It will start searching for 1 from the right. So that's why it has given 14. Okay. Same thing for index and rindex. I hope you guys understood till now. So we can proceed to join off. Okay. If you guys have any doubt, please comment. I will answer. Okay. So what is join off will do? So in join off, we need to pass any iterable like list, tuple, etc. So inside the list or tuple, there are set of elements, right? This element should be string. If the element is not string, it will give type error. You can see here type error. It will raise the type error. So all the elements of the iterable should be string, and it will join the elements of that iterable into a single string. Okay, so but we need to give some separator in order to separate each elements of the iterable. I will read for you. The join off method in Python is used to join elements of an iterable like list or tuple into a single string with a specified separator between the elements. Okay, so I will explain you once again. So we need to pass some iterable like list, tuple, etc. So what it will do, what this join off function will do, it will join the elements of the iterable into a single string. But when it will join, we need to give some separator in order to keep in between the elements. Okay, so but only thing is that the element should be string, otherwise it will give type error. Okay, so this is the syntax, separator underscore string. That is the separator we are giving. For example, space, comma, anything, dot join of iterable. Iterable is list, tuple, etc. Okay, so here you can see one list. I am giving space as a separator, dot join of words. Okay, so this is the words is the list. That's an iterable. This is space is the separator. So what this join function will do? It will join all the elements of the iterable into a single string with space as the separator. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so if you see the type of that result, this is the result, right? If you see the type of the result, that is string. Okay, I hope you guys understood till now. So we can start list on our next class. So if you have any doubt, please comment. I will answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.